Hello, this is Brian. Today is a special 1-hour coverage on the 2010 International FIFA World Cup. The two favorites of this year's cup will be South Korea and Hong Kong. To commemorate the special event, we will go live to Allison in South Korea. Allison, how's this going in South Korea?
Did you know that meeting we had the other day?
What?
Hi, this is Allison reporting live from the Blue House or the Presidential Palace in Seoul, South Korea. And look, the President has just arrived. Well, the teddy bear president, that is. Anyways, we're here because there's a special coverage on the FIFA World Cup. And boy, do those Koreans look excited. I mean, just look at them, showing their country pride. That's right. They're excited as little bundles of fur. Anyways, we're here today to interview the star player on the Korean team, and that is Mr. Min Sung-sung. Yes, Min Sung-sung. People love you, right? Just hear that cheering. They love you. Yes, they do. So, back to the point. So, Mr. Min, how do you feel about your chances and about being a star player of the Korean team, one of the favorites of this year's World Cup?
Somos vários ali, das yo, no que se das yo, das yo.
Back to you, nothing.
I have a name, you know. Anyways, so we go to Tam in Hong Kong, who will be interviewing Jibo on the Hong Kong team. What are you doing here? How'd you get here so fast?
I'm interviewing Jibo, duh.
But how does that explain?
Reporting live from Hong Kong. Here's Hong Kong's two star players, Jibo and Ching Chong.
Jibo is a national star, trained in the art of Shaolin soccer since 3 years old. He's one of the strongest on the team and is a national hero. Ching Chong, Hong Kong's recently acquired Rookie of the Year, is now the other star player. Some say he's a ninja, others say he's a terrorist, but who knows?
You took my screen time.
I'm sorry.
So, Jibo, how do you feel about your chances on the Hong Kong team?
My name is Jibo.
Okay, so how do you feel about...
My name is Jibo.
So, Mr. Ching Chong, how do you feel about being the star player on this year's favorite team? Good job! Now we cut to the educational corner. Yes, in order to celebrate this special event that comes once every 4 years, we have a special theme today for our educational corner, and that's soccer, of course. So now we're going to cut to Mibo, Jibo's brother, who will explain the problem.
Hello, I'm Mibo, and I'm here to host the educational corner of our special program. Let's take a look at this scenario, and by using our favorite subject, calculus, we'll be able to calculate changing rates. The three star players are charging in on a soccer ball that has suddenly appeared out of nowhere. Assuming that they are all 10 meters apart from one another and are all moving at 4 meters per second, we can find the changing rate of the area of the triangle they form. But wait! In order to do so, we must use the area formula of an equilateral triangle. We know the formula is radical 3x squared over 4, but how does this work? Let's take a look at this triangle. We'll call the size of the triangle x. And we know that all the angles are 60 degrees. Now let's split it in half. If we take a look at our unit circle angles and values from this smaller triangle here, we know that h is equal to radical 3. In this case, radical 3 times 1/2 x. For the base, it's 1/2 of x. We know the basic formula for the area of a triangle, so now let's plug everything in. Alright, there you go. Now we're done with the proof. Let's move on to changing rates. Yeah! Mwahahaha. Our givens are as shown. The distance x is equal to 10 meters, and the distance from each player decreases 4 meters per second. Now, as our players collide, we'll calculate the changing rate of the area of the triangle they are in. First, we find the derivative of the area formula by moving the 2 down. From there, it gets really easy. All we have to do is plug in all of our values into the formula given. Get it? No? Anyone? Oh well, too bad for you. That's it for the educational corner, folks. Let's watch our star players reenact the scene for the kids.
Hey yo, you guys? Yeah, the ball's like over there.